Hello guys, I'm Ahari Kwaz to tell you in this tutorial how to go for installation of Windows 11 operating system on any Lenovo laptops. This is old one, Z500 something especially series Lenovo laptops. Here we would like to install especially operating system 11. So here, see one thing more I would like to tell you. Firstly, we will have to create a partition disk style of USB bootable flash pen drive. What's partition disk style? Either it is MBR or ZPT. What's the suits your laptop? How do you check it out? I would like to show you here. See, just we will come in, especially here. Right now I have a created one bootable flash pen drive, but here we would like to tell you how do you check it out. Just we will come in a Windows search bar, and here we'll have to write create and format, and here we can see especially removable especially disk. This is a pen drive. So if you go in a volume master disk, especially see master boot record, so it's especially MBR. What is especially this computer bootable pen drive, sorry, computer partition disk style, it's a ZPT. So on this especially big laptop it will not match, it won't be a compatible. But when we insert into the especially this Lenovo laptop series, then it will be a totally, it will be especially totally functional guys here. So how do I see here? I would like to show you just to check it out in the quickly. Here we would like to show you. Here this is a partition disk style is especially of this laptop is approximately I think MBR. So just I would like to show you. See guys, it's in a volume 2, it's a MBR. I don't think it is visible. Just now you can see it's MBR. So is it clear now? So it's a MBR. So totally this will be now functional and bootable pen, of course bootable pen drive. Now it became. So let's how do you install. First and foremost guys, we will turn off directly this, and what we'll do guys here, check it out either F11, F9, F10. What's bootable a specific key is for your laptops. Yes, search it. Otherwise in the Lenovo series there is a separate boot menu key. Here is a one key, so just we will push it and we will check it out. So it will directly transfer to the boot menu, and here we can see, let's zoom so that it will be a much more visual. Now here we will have to select boot menu option, so we can see here. Yes, we will have to boot menu, then we will go for here. See internal as DDD something is a coming, but we will have to select here pen drive. So this is a yes pen drive that we would like to come with, especially see HP pen drive has been especially installed here. So just we will prefer to here now. So it's asking press any key. So yes, I have pressed the any key. Now it has elected guys here. We will see further. So let's now see how easily it has started to install. Further we will see any kind of this special error will come. So then just 1 to 2 minutes we will take. And how do you create a USB bootable flash pen drive? If you want, then this tutorial is given below the description box. Of course you can have it within especially 1 to 2 minutes. You will be able to create USB bootable flash pen drive. Now here once again let's zoom so that it will be a much more visual. Now we can see here is options that language and these things. Here is a language, especially time currency format and the keyboard input. So all things let it remain. Just we will go for now installation, and when we go for installations, then what's going to happen, so let's see further. Yes, we will check it out once again. Now see here, let's zoom it so that it will be a much more visual guys. Here let me zoom, and here we will have to select the which one operating system you would like to have. So we would like to go for Windows 11 home. So just we will now, after selections, we will go for here. Here is the options to either what's the bit, either it is a 64 or especially 32-bit that you want. So now here we'll have to accept the term and conditions. So just we will tap on it and we will go for next. Now here is a especially custom installation. So here on a 100 GB SSD we have actually taken here. So just on it we would like to install. So let me firstly delete it. We would like to see guys, either you can format if you do on a especially partition disk style, then the trial application that has been expired on your laptop or PC, that will not be validated once again, or that will not be a functional once again. So if you delete, then all the trial application would be valid for trial period. Suppose some of the applications, suppose we are using the rm here, the rm for 30 days is a totally free. So after 30 days if you go for especially these things after removing, and if you create the partition disk style once again, sorry, if you create especially partitions, and you will install once again after deleting, then definitely it will be a functional. So now see, we'll go for especially apply this. So now see, it has especially created. Now here this is a especially hard disk that we will create after especially, otherwise you can have here no problem at all. So suppose half just we will do it. So let's see, 1 4 and let's say partition. So all right, we parted here, and this one partition disk, and this is unallocated, and this is here. This is one, and this is unallocated. So let me once again one more especially we would like to have. So let's keep it one, and we will go for, so all the partition disk also how do you create that I am showing here. Now see which one is unallocated, this one last one we will go for. So three more actually partitions we have created. Now we will go for partition one to installation these things. That's all, nothing much more. So just we will hit this one's next button, and when we click on a next button, what will happen guys here, it will be a completely start to install. So it will take scarcely 5 to 10 minutes to a complete installation guys. So we will wait here for 5 minutes, and then we will go for further installation this thing. So how easily especially we can see now it has, this is all about guys right now. Now it will be a finalizing step, and the finalizing stage is nothing, just you will have to create an admin user id and especially password, and this will be a completely installed. So how easily this window has been installed on this PC or laptops. This is Lenovo series, but it can be a similar status, it can be applicable on a Dell, HP or Acer, of course, according to your own desire, of course, on what laptop or PC you are going to install it. So this is all about in this tutorial. How to like these tutorials? Don't forget, leave the comments or feedbacks below the comment box. A pleasure would remains to reply your query, guys. So thank you. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.